What is going on, guys? Today is August 3rd. Another day, another Satoshi, and it's 4:30 p.m. Just got off of work, came here looking at the charts, seeing where it's going. We're sitting right here on the hourly time frame. I have two EMAs pulled up. I got the 20 and the 55. And as you can see here, we're just hitting our heads on this 20 EMA. Clearly still in a downtrend from yesterday. I mentioned yesterday that if we don't hold this line of support, then we are going to be coming further down. 36,000 to 35.5. I do believe we're going to wick down in between these ranges, but ultimately I don't think we're going to stay here long at all, and I honestly think we're going to bounce off the EMA 55 on the daily time frame. So switching over to the daily, the 55 EMA in a uptrend holds a good key support area. So it's sitting at $36,788 roughly, so $36,700 is what I think we're going to come down to and really hold support at before launching up. Like I said, we could wick down a little bit lower over here in the 36 to 35.5 range, some good wicks possibly. But ultimately, I do think we're going to hold this EMA right here. Other than that, we're still watching out. We're still in this hourly downtrend and now daily downtrend, but nothing much has changed from yesterday. The bull market, in my opinion, is still on. We're still looking good, still healthy. I'm really excited to see how these levels of supports are going to hold, how the EMA 55 holds up, and hopefully we're back off to the races after having some cool off time and looking strong from there. I do want to show you an interesting perspective. It's a Bollinger Band with Fibonacci levels that I just recently found today that's kind of interesting for, on the macro scale side of things here. And you can just see, right, it looks really confusing. I know there's a whole lot of lines going on here. Let me switch it to the daily. So a lot going on here. But this chart is really interesting. If I go back and look at the indicator is very interesting. If I look back, we take a step back in time to the 2017 bull run. As long as we're in this above this purple, we're looking great for continuation in a bull run. And obviously we're getting overextended and overheated as we go through and pass this red line there on this Bollinger Band. But if I come back, right, and we scroll into this bull cycle, you can see we got pretty overextended here at the beginning, which, that was a lot of the Elon Musk news and all the bullish Bitcoin news was coming out and really pumping the price up. Then we had some cool off, and you know what? We were still above this this purple band here, right? And now we just today, we came down, we broke down past the purple band, came down kind of low, and now we're coming back up, hitting our heads on this purple band, right? And like I said, this is a Bollinger Band, but with the Fibonacci levels mixed in. And as you can see here, right, this is where we're getting a little interesting here, right? So as you can see, we're on the daily. We're below the purple. We hit our heads off this purple. And now there's a Fibonacci line right here, right at the $36,000 range. Let me pull back up my 55. And it lines up perfectly. This Fibonacci line is perfectly lined up with this 55 here, which is pretty crazy. So obviously I think that's a very strong level of support. Massive area of support here, right? So that, like I said, $36,700 is what I'm looking at for the key level of support, and we'll go from there. But yeah, I just found this Bollinger Band with the Fibonacci's mixed in, and it's actually very interesting. And I'll probably be paying a little bit more close attention to this new Bollinger Band I found. But other than that, that's Bitcoin on the daily and on the hourly. See how it goes. Still in that downtrend. Still, still in the bull cycle for sure. No bear market yet. No bear market at all yet. In the short term, sure, we're in a bear trend, but there's no bear market right now. We're still playing in the sandbox area, but it looks like we're gonna hopefully pump very hard, very soon, very quickly here within the next few weeks to a month. So stay tuned. I'll keep updating you guys, and hopefully these videos are getting a little bit better. I'm getting a little bit more comfortable talking to the camera, trying to give a little bit more eye contact, my words, and try to express my opinion a little bit better on video. But still getting used to it. Hope you guys check back in tomorrow. I know I'm only getting a couple views, but hey, a couple is better than none, right? So let's keep it going. I'll see you all tomorrow, and have a great rest of the day.